sauce for, it's about 1 pound of chicken now, so. Since this is already pre-minced garlic, maybe just 2 tablespoons is enough. So we'll start with that. All right. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for this. I think this is gonna be yummy. We were gonna let it sit for just 30 minutes, but we decided it's gonna sit overnight. This is gonna be so full of flavor. I'm so excited. You know what? I'm also gonna add the salt right now too. What really needs to soak through is the soy sauce. Okay, that's the flavor. And then all the other beautiful flavors like this, the acid flavors and the sweet flavors can be like the notes of it. So let's do that. So now we'll cling wrap it. My mom's a Filipino nurse. So, of course, we have the surgical instruments as scissors. This is our marinade, and it's gonna go into the fridge overnight. Look at that. Check in with you tomorrow. All right, let's go. Hi, it's the next day. It's almost dinner time, so it's time to cook our chicken adobo. So we have the marinade that's been sitting overnight. I'll heat up my pot with oil, and then I'll have the rest of my ingredients on the side. We'll put vinegar, Sprite, peppercorns, and bay leaves, and we're gonna cook that all together. So let's get started. All right, so we're gonna take the chicken, and we're gonna leave the sauce behind for now, but we're gonna take each chicken piece and we're gonna put this in the pan. There's only a little bit of sauce left, but we'll be adding Sprite and vinegar. I just realized we actually only have 1 pound of meat instead of 2 pounds of meat, so I shortened it. I did 4 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons of Sprite. Put it in this bowl because now we have all the leftover soy sauce and it's all kind of combined into like whole sauce. I'm gonna add the rest of the sauce here. A teaspoon of peppercorn will go in. And then we'll put a few bay leaves in there. And then we'll just let it simmer. Our adobo is done cooking. Our chicken is fully cooked. So turn it off. The sauce will settle, and then we'll get our bowls full of rice, and then we'll serve it up and try it. For the moment of truth. That's adobo. And that's how you make chicken adobo.